Hi everyone, this is Gleeza made with Glee. In this video, I am sharing with you a comfortable indoor space where I go to just relax and refresh and, when I need to get away from either the kitchen stuff or whatever is going on during the holidays. And this video is actually part of a collaboration hosted by Cynthia ShesoBless and Tammy from I'm DIYing it. I will link both ladies' channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so you can see how some of our YouTube creators escape and unwind in our homes during the holidays. So this is in my family room. I have this round, it's a double seater. Two people could definitely fit in it, but me being the queen, that is my throne, and that's where I like to curl up with either a good book or, honestly, to relax, I crochet or I cross stitch or I knit. That's really what I do. I do read a lot of books, but right now I tend to be listening to more Audible than written word. But I am reading a written word book, and that is my Stephen Hawking, Little Answers to Big Questions book. So that's what I'm reading. And of course, coffee is my drink of choice, and I always have some sort of cookies, such as like vanilla wafers around. So this is one of my favorite places to just, crash, unwind, relax. There's also the TV right nearby, so if I didn't feel like doing any of that stuff, I could just spin the chair around and watch TV. So I just wanted to share with you how I relax during the holidays right in my family room. Like right now, my kids are adults, so they leave the room, not me. When they were younger, it used to be the other way around, but now it's the house is mine and they go to their rooms. Now this is a second cozy corner in my home. This is in my front living room. I have a little chair with a cross-stitch pillow that I made, and yes, I cross-stitched that pillow while sitting in that chair to relaxing. And next to it I have a little candle warmer and a table where I can rest my coffee and whatever else I need to have around. By the way, that cross-stitch pillow is from the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery Company. If anyone is interested in looking for that pattern, it's called Let's Go on an Adventure. And I have that just to remind us that we all need to go on more adventures. And those are my favorite things right now. Like I said, brief answers to the big questions. Stephen Hawking, that is what I'm currently reading. I got that last Christmas, but I had like 5 other really big books that I had to get through from Christmas. So this is the last Christmas gift that I'm reading this year, and I hope to finish it, which I definitely will before Christmas. I can get new books. And the coffee I'm drinking is hazelnut. That is currently my drink of choice with some vanilla wafers. So this is my second cozy corner where I come to relax and unwind. Thanks, ladies, for the fun collaboration. I will again be linking both of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist. Thank you, everyone, for watching, and I hope you can create a cozy space in your home that you can just get away from all the hustle and the bustle and stresses of the holidays. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.